Hello, my dear learners. Today we will discuss an elegant problem of derivatives. So let's start. So the statement is if x is equal to a cos t plus b sin t and y is equal to a sin t minus b sin t, then prove that. First of all, we will eliminate t from x and y. So here is the process. It is number 1 and it is number 2. So scaring and adding 1 and 2, and 1 is x square plus y square is equal to, so first value is a cos t plus b sin t, so a cos t plus b sin t and whole square, and second value is a sin t minus b cos t, a sin t minus b cos t. So open this square, a square cos square t plus b square, it is t, b square sin square t, then 2ab cos t and sin t. Again by opening this, a square sin square t plus b square cos square t, and it is minus ab cos t sin t, and this term cancel out. Now take a common from this term and from this term. So a square common, cos square t plus sin square t. Now take b common from this term and this term, sorry, b square common, sin square t plus cos square t. Now this is 1 and this is also 1, and the whole equation reduces to x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. So this is the equation which is clearly an implicit function. It is b square. So implicit function. Now we will find derivative of this. Differentiate with respect to x. So it is 2x, 2y, y with respect to x, and derivative of constant is 0. Now dy by dx is minus 2x divided by 2y, and cancel out, it is x by y. So we will get first derivative here. Now for second derivative we use quotient rule. So take negative outside, y square y ddx of x minus x ddx of y. So negative, it is y, derivative is 1, it is x, dy by dx and y square. Now cross this. Minus y. Now transpose this and this term. And it is required result. So here is the question. X is equal to a cos t, b sin t. Take y is equal to a sin t minus b cos t. If you consider it parametric function and then differentiate it, it will much longer. So this is the most elegant way to this type of questions. So elimination process is very much easy. So do this elimination, and after elimination, first derivative, then second derivative, and then the required result. So I hope you will understand everything about this question. So subscribe my channel. Thanks.